Hello everyone, today we are making garlic pork ribs in the air fryer. I really love this recipe because its texture and amazing garlic aroma, so flavorful and easy to make at home. We only need a few simple ingredients. Let's start with the garlic. Here I have 10 cloves garlic. Lightly smash them with the side of your knife. We're not going to mince them since it can burn easily in the air fryer. Then slice a few pieces of ginger. Now let's prepare the pork ribs. Soak them in water for about 30 minutes or so. This helps remove the excess blood and gives the ribs a cleaner flavor. After that, rinse the ribs well and pat them dry with paper towels. Then we marinate the ribs with garlic, ginger, cooking wine, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and garlic powder. I actually forgot to add the garlic powder here, so I add it later. Mix everything well and massage the ribs for about 2 minutes so the ribs can absorb all the flavor. Finally, add some cornstarch and mix again. Then cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Now it's time to air fry the ribs. Place the ribs in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Then spread the garlic over the top and lightly spray with a little oil. For the function, I'm using the wind setting. Then set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 minutes total. Turn on the shake reminder and start. I also have the same air fryer back home in the US, but that version is in English. We are halfway through cooking now, so let's flip the ribs over. We have now cooked the ribs for 18 minutes. They already looks really good at this point and ready to eat. But I like to flip them over one more time, then increase the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit and air fry them for another 2 minutes. This gives them a little more color and extra flavor. Finally, the ribs are ready. Look at that beautiful color. They smell amazing and the garlic aroma is so good. These ribs are perfect with rice and great for sharing with family and friends. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.